Hello everyone, welcome to How To channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to unhide or add the threads badge to your Instagram. Now guys, I'm just going to head over to my Instagram, and as you can see guys, this is my threads badge. I'm just going to hide this badge so you understand what I mean. Now tap on remove, and guys, as you can see, there's no more threads badge on this profile. Now the first thing you can do is for you to report to Instagram that you removed your threads badge. So guys, you're just going to go over to the three lines here at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on settings and privacy. Then guys, you're going to scroll over to where you see help, and then you tap on help. Then I'm going to tap on report a problem and tap on report a problem again. So I'm going to tap on include and continue, and then I'm going to explain briefly on how I mistakenly removed my threads badge and how I would love the threads badge to be added back, and then I'll send this to Instagram. So when you finish sending this to Instagram, you just wait for Instagram to get back to you. This is how you can unhide or add your threads badge back on Instagram. Now thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to How To channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.